Well, guys, I finally made it. I finally made it. Oh, it was a harrowing experience trying to get here. I am in Atlantic City Showboat Hotel, one of the few hotels that is still remaining. So I am going to show you the tour of what you get. So as you can see, you get napkin, soap, and this looks like what? What is this? I don't know. Oh, body lotion. Okay. That's strange. They don't have shampoo and conditioner. I guess they stopped doing that. Got a telephone. I guess that's for the first front desk. Outlet hair dryer. Towels. And your tub, which comes with a shower. Nice little gold touches there. And then the toilet. Girl was on the bus for 2 hours, New York City to here. But it took a little longer because there was a fight on the bus between the bus driver and one of the customers. So here we have, I see an ironing board. There must be an iron somewhere. Yes, there is an iron somewhere. Not too many hangers. That's okay because this is just going to be an overnight trip. Next, we have 2 queen-size beds and a beautiful mirror on the side there. I like the soft headboards as well. Let's see. Great. We swing over, and yes, we have the little mini refrigerator again. I don't really plan on cooking anyway, so it's okay. We probably won't even use the refrigerator, to tell you the truth. I'm not sure. Then we have these drawers. As you can see, there is a big screen TV, and that's my reflection. Coffee maker and a little desk. So I'm going to swing over here, and as you can see by the window, you have 2 huge chairs, and there's a lamp in the corner, as well as ventilation and air control. So now let's look out the window. The Showboat Hotel, like, you're pretty much far from most of the action. This is like kind of like where the action starts, if you will. So this is my view. I get a bit of the beach, and I can see the amusement park over there, and then swing further up. That's the rest of the beach. Okay. I can't see the full boardwalk because the way it is that there's like a curve, if you will. So anyway, that's what's up. Now, this way, I can see the rest of the real Atlantic City where regular people stay. So guys, that is the room tour of Showboat Hotel and Casino. I plan to have a lovely, lovely day. It's a wonderful hotel. Lots of entertainment, lots of things to do. I booked this on Hotwire. I know I didn't spend too much money. I booked this some months ago, so I don't remember exactly how much it was, but it's definitely under $100 a night. And as you know, and that includes taxes plus fees. And as you know, I'm going to only spend one night, and I didn't ask for an upgrade. I completely forgot, But I did ask about late checkout, and thank God, because of my experience, because I came kind of late, because check-in is at 4, they're they're giving me a complimentary checkout. So I appreciate that like so much you don't even know. All right, so I'm gonna let the good times begin. Bye.